Tulis di figura jibutip nam tag kubar light cam don ki post of driver artali gibalaj apo NEC Northeastern Councils kedret Shillong on direct recruitment basis kane kade ka permanent post mo gini artali ki post of driver application kane la penmi apply March te sausan sngi hadu bala penmi kane kan last date mar kem ong glase chomej apo sausan sngi kin I por fi ban submit ya ki neki form apo office. Applications are invited from candidates fulfilling the following qualification and experience for the post of staff car driver or general grade in Northeastern Council Secretariat Shillong on direct recruitment basis. Jadi don jingbut kepada driver ku akan tab salai tab no yakni makanya dari permanent post ma jongka central. The name of the post kade staff car driver teka number of post kade R5 kawai kade jongka UR bat kawai jongka SC. Dan mar bagi jong central tegi don bagi naga SC bagi UR ten naki khasi phaban yakni syaka UR kategori ma khasi phabe kni ka UR kategori kemud ba ka chance nomor 3 datang hipus mar kawai ada yang taki SC memang. The minimum qualification and other qualification required for direct recruitment KK di come ya second mau possession valid driving license for motor car dimendon ka driving license, knowledge of motor car mechanism dimendon ka knowledge nimta bansna kali 5-year experience in driving motor car dan kam 5-year experience must be able to read and write English numeral and figure ya benang banto bat keren matuli English la de ki number mar kidur ya benang desirable TDB class 6 standard pass or above. Pass class 6 sejrong. Class name kedai between 18 to 25. Flexible for government servant up to the age of 40. Nam tai government servant kedai adu suppose name. In case of general candidate and up to 45 in case of candidate belong to STSC. Mut sausan nam tai tang government servant makane. In accordance with instruction order issued by the government from time to time. Te pra du absan. Te ka relaxation yang sunsnem te ngam tip hangne klem ai yu te pio nem kata ka sunsnem te ngam tip hangne ka soi karpa hadu arsan bat relaxable nam tagi government bade ka de hadu sausan nam tagi STSC te ka sunsnem rup shutdown ben nam tagi central te la bandon te la de bandon te la de hadu live how place of work kan de Shillong however liable to be transferred anywhere in dia la man transfer tu maka de Shillong kama hadin habut bade la ban transfer hakiki jelah. Nature of vacancy kadai permanent, whether women are eligible no tangki senrang mo menun time. Terus ngap ikane kayu a crucial date for determining age limit ka date ban Kenya kasnem ko jepi kan senang du live ho tarik mane basau arjar apply mo adu katu kan Kenya ka date ya ka singkha jong pi. Candidate will be given of due okay not okay before applying the post okay. Before applying the post, the candidate should ensure that he fulfill more should apply dapat dikenal de bapi fulfilling to the eligibility norms kibala dap as jerong qualification gitu ke baru kibala dap as jerong mo. The date of submission of the application and should enclose with his application but application mo phaban submit lang bat ki self attached copy of all certificate baru certificate la mention ang tay include ka skill cast certificate and supporting document kepada skill cast kap support barbala kadon ka skill cast lakajong and supporting document no. And 5 application should be filled in English lana Hindi kapan dapat bahasa English lana Hindi mo tesa employ hakane ka deputy secretary administration Northeastern Secretariat Nongrim Hill Shillong New Khandai line not line make clear within 45 days of publication of this advertisement in employment pihak employ hapo ka sausan sngi pa penmi kane ta kane penmi arp khandai tarek jong penmi match te pinang don porba phila ban leji sepo office ne phila ban pha nang ba ka pus phila pha kane ka address pada bahine ne phila mi ha office mar kade Shillong da. In complete application or those not prescribed for forma are liable to be rejected and not further cautionary regarding test action okay happen dap ha. Date of written test and driving test will be fixed at office la usual kinsa fix maki. However, any applicant may inquire from section officer when NEC Secretariat Shillong whether he has been shortlisted for the test or not. Then dapat ada submit te pilaban you ini number pilaban kali lara bisa shortlisted nam nanda submit ya ki form yang pi. Te ka website do pem mau kaneng sabu hapo ka description ro http /necouncil.gov.in. Jadi bisa alam cek nang turu. Application should be subscribed with the words application for the post of staff car driver. Por pendap hang tu kya bentuk kan ya. Application for the post of staff car driver. Jika form rule dap ai ni application format rule dap ai fill up dan download dah kan ni. Let's go website download dia kan ni. Tes print ya kan ni pendap kadur. Pendap hang ni application for the post of staff driver. Kamta name of candidate pendap hang tu baro detail of driving license, detail of employment exchange, experience, kena read write speak atau betul tes print ya kan ni. Kamu submit ni dan balik dokumen semua. Itu buka ban tab ya kan ni ke post. Jika link yang sebut pada description, saya cek itu maka di offline, di online mah. Tanggi ni, boleh cuba.